Hi everyone, this is Caroline, and in this video I'm going to set up a Wi-Fi scale. This is not a paid endorsement. I purchased this with my own funds. Just a little bit about myself. I'm Caroline, and if you follow my channel, thank you so much. Thank you to all of my subscribers. I'm about to embark on training for my third marathon. I'm really excited about this. This is the New York Marathon. I got it on the lottery. It was a 15% chance of making the lottery. I did not qualify, with the fast time or anything. I'm not that fast. So I'm really excited to participate in the New York Marathon this year. And I'm going to be training pretty intensely between now and November for this marathon. And one of the tools that I thought I would need to train for this marathon is a scale. I want to be at my ideal racing weight for this marathon. I do have a regular scale and I will be comparing it to this scale, but I've always wanted one of these Wi-Fi scales that automatically tracks my weight. So in this video, I'm going to set up my Wi-Fi scale here. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with the unboxing of my Wi-Fi scale. So I decided to purchase this particular scale because it is currently, at the time of this video recording, the #1 Wi-Fi scale on Amazon right now. So I will link to it below if you're interested in getting it. It is less than half the price as the Fitbit Aria scale, and it has better reviews than the Fitbit scale. So that was an important factor to me. Anyway, so let's get started with the unboxing here. And here is the scale. And here's the scale. It's pretty light. It's thin, small, and it does take 3 AAA batteries. Slide it open here. And it does come with the batteries. They are right here. I'm going to put in the batteries right now. And that's the batteries, and here is the scale. It says 0, and here are the instructions. So I believe there is an app that I'm going to download, and I need to pair it with my smartphone. Let's get started with pairing this with my smartphone. So this is a pretty big booklet here. It says download the Renpho. Okay, so I'm going to go to the Play Store, and I'm going to download the app. So let's search for the app, Renpho. And here is the app. It installed. And it's downloading. And it's done downloading. I'm going to hit open. And I'm probably going to have to create an account now. Let's see, English. Yes, that's me. Choose weight. I'm going to do this in pounds. I guess you guys are going to figure out how much I weigh after this video. So I'm going to join. I'm going to type in my credentials here. And now I'm going to take a picture. Picture of myself here. That's up weird. There we go. Alright, okay, I've got a picture. Done. Okay, it's sideways. Alright, photos. I guess I just need to do the sideways. Done. Saving the picture. Okay, now I'm right side up. Yay. There is my name, my birthday, my height, and my athlete mode. Athlete mode will make your smart scale adjust to the way to calculate body composition. It requires location permissions and Bluetooth. I'm going to confirm that. I believe I have all that turned on. Now I need to pair it with my smart scale here. So I'm going to hit the plus button in the top right hand corner. Device management, pairing my accessory. Let's see if this thing is on now. And I have a connected accessory now. Okay, great. Oh, I was supposed to step on the scale with dry and bare feet, then add the device. So I need to find my device and step on the scale. Okay, so I'm gonna step on the scale now. Hang on. I have the app open. I'm screen recording on my phone right now. I'm gonna step on the scale, and I'm covering the 4 leads on the scale here. And see what happens. And then the wheel starts turning on my app on my phone here. And it knows how much I weigh. It made a little sound to say, yes, I know how much you weigh. And then it gives me a lot of different stats about what it calculated. That was pretty simple. What I'm going to do is just weigh myself every morning, and then I can measure trends and just really monitor my weight and just have it recorded instead of just trying to memorize it. Now I'm going to compare the weights. So this one says I weigh 134.4 right here. Now I'm going to start up my
regular digital, my old digital scale right here, and step on this scale and see what weight it tells me. 134.9, 135. All right, that's within half a pound. I think that's pretty accurate. I don't really know which one is more accurate, but I think it is kind of important to do a comparison. Now, the other thing about this is that this is an app. It records it and it gives me my body mass index as well too. Hey, I think that was pretty cool. I set up my Renpho Wi-Fi scale. I've compared it to my old digital scale. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.